Welcome to Passionate Learners CNC Programming channel. In this video we will see how to transfer program to CNC memory and card reader. Press Program button. First we will see how to transfer program to CNC memory. Press Folder Soft key. Click on Path 1 to select CNC memory. Click on Folder where you have saved the CNC programs. Now drag and drop the file from computer to CNC memory. Press Download option. Press OK. Now you can see that program number 5 has been copied to CNC memory. Now we will drag another program number 01008. Press Download option. Press OK. You can see that another program number 01008 has been copied to CNC memory. Now we will see how to transfer program to CF card reader. Press OPRT soft key. Press Device Change soft key. Press CF soft key. Now in software click on CF text. Now drag and drop the files from computer to CF card. Press Download option. Press OK. Press Refresh soft key. Now you can see that program number 05 has been copied to CF card. Again we will drag and drop another program number 03. Press Download option. Press OK. Press Refresh soft key. Now you can see that program number 03 has been copied to CF card. Thank you for watching the video.